Position: sit in the position of Vajrasana in the two hands tied in such a way that the thumb remains inside. Establish the handmade side of the navel and lean forwardwards, leaving the respiration, but keep in mind that the buttocks did not rise above the floor. The neck and the eyes will remain towards the front and the elbows will stay behind. Hold the breath in the right direction, then take the breath and come up. Benefit: this posture is particularly affected by the digestive system. With this practice, there is enough heat in the body. Through it, all diseases of the digestive system, air pollution, constipation, diarrhea, respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, monocytes are removed. Caution: the patient of spondylitis should not practice this posture.